Welcome back. Now we are going to the third numerical in the first exercise of real numbers. Question is, an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to match the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? So let's say army band members are in blue. So there can be n number of rows like this. Sorry, n number of columns. So column 1, column 2, column 3. Like that we can have n number of columns. Column n. This blue, totally there are 32. I don't know how many columns are there. So, but I'm saying like this, totally there are 32 members. This blue. Now behind that blue, army contingent should march. That means the army people should march. So the army soldiers, they are in red. They should march like this. Exactly behind them. So number of columns should be equal for both. That is, this is 32 and this is 616. For this 32 band members and for this 616 soldiers, number of columns is common. The number of columns should be common, correct? Because the maximum number of columns in which they can march, same number of columns. So same column, same number, but maximum, which means you have to find the highest common factor. So the question is very simple. You find the highest common factor between 616 and 32. That's what you have to find. So you understood that idea? So blue is the army band. We don't know how many columns are there, but totally 32 members are there. Exactly behind them, 616 soldiers should march in the same number of columns. So same number of columns. And it's a maximum number. So maximum number means highest. Highest common columns. So you have to find HCF, highest common factor. To find highest common factor, we can use Euclid's division algorithm. So Euclid's division algorithm. Division algorithm. For two integers C and D, C is equal to D into Q plus R. Remember, C is greater than D. So for us, C is 616 and D is 32. So 616 is equal to 32 into quotient. So divide 616 divided by 32. 32 ones are 32. So this will become 5, this will become 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 5 minus 3, 2, 6 as it is. Now 32 into 10 is 320. So 32 into 9 you check. 32 into 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 1, 28. 288. So 32 into 9, 288. This will become 8. This will become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. So quotient is 19 plus remainder is 8. This is what I'm getting. Quotient is 19 and remainder is 8. So since remainder is not 0, the previous divisor will become the new dividend. So 32 is equal to previous remainder will become the divisor. 8 into, now divide 32 divided by 8. So divisor divided by remainder. 8 fours are 32. 0. So into 4 plus 0. Now remainder became 0. If remainder becomes 0, the divisor is the highest common factor. 8 is the divisor. Since remainder is equal to 0, HCF is equal to 8. Therefore, maximum number of columns, maximum number of columns is 8. Answer is 8. So army band can have n number of columns. There are 32 people. 616 soldiers should march behind in the same number of columns, which means you have to find the HCF between 616 and 32. For that, use Euclid's division algorithm. C is equal to DQ plus R. C is the dividend, D is the divisor. So 616 divided by 32, you will get quotient as 19 and remainder as 8. Then what will happen? Next step, divisor will become dividend and remainder will become divisor. So 32 divided by 8, 8 fours are 32. Once remainder becomes 0, that divisor is the highest common factor. So maximum number of columns is 8.